Hello. Hi everyone, welcome to Becky's Crafts and Goodies. It is it Wednesday? Tuesday. Tuesday evening, and Phoebe's just going to get herself ready for bed, aren't you? Mm. And where are we going tomorrow?
Ikea! 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 And guess what? I've got £2.
Have you?
Yeah.
That might buy you a meatball or a hot dog.
Ice cream!
You still got your eyeshadow on?
Maybe.
You need to take that off if you go in bed. What have we done today then? We made some slime, didn't we?
I have a new... Tomorrow I'll show you my slime... What was it?
Slime Land, you called it.
Slime Land. My new Slime Land tomorrow. And it has all kinds of slimes like you would dream, like...
You made them, didn't you?
Like normal slime, fluffy slime,
slime with beads in, glitter.
Unicorn slime.
So we've got to get you up on time tomorrow, nice and early.
And I do have a slime out there.
You have. It's a pink slime. But we don't really want to play with it in your bed because if you get slime everywhere.
On my LOL quilt.
Yeah, we don't want it on there, do we?
I sleep with two quilts.
You do. Blanket on the top.
This one's on the top and this one's on the bottom.
This one. Nanan got you this, didn't she?
Yeah. Shout out to Nanan.
Shout out to Nanan.
Shout out to Nanan for getting me this blanket.
Hi Nanan. Everybody say hi Nanan.
We call her Nanan.
We do call her
Her
Nanan.
actual name is... Shall I tell it?
No.
Okay.
Okay, so tomorrow we're going to have a wander around Ikea.
And tomorrow, I think Ow.
Who's going with us tomorrow?
Chloe and Alfie.
Yeah, and Courtney and Phoebe and
You.
Ebony
And
me
the camera.
and the camera and Nanan.
Yeah.
Nanan's coming. Okay, so we'll see you guys in the morning. Blimey, it's like an Olympic sport getting ready to go out for the day. So I've put the seats up in the car. So there's 2 in the boot. Phoebe's just running up to the car now. So we're just going to go and pick my mum up and Chloe and Alfie. And Ebony stayed at Chloe's last night as well.
Hello.
He's a little unicorn. Unicorn coming with us today.
My mum made these.
We did make these, didn't we?
Yeah.
Little tassels. So we're just waiting for Courtney to get ready.
Oh, I need to get in the back, don't I?
You do. Your seat's behind Mum. And they've got their blankets. Yeah. It's not like we're going anywhere like major, but it's just seemed to be like we're going on holiday.
Oh,
We'll just pretend we're going to Sweden, shall we?
Yay!
In the half term.
Sweden!
It's probably the most interesting thing we're going to get a chance to do. So let's go and collect everybody. Okie doke, we've arrived. Are we all ready for shopping?
Just in my trousers.
Just in my trousers, that's it.
I actually don't like that.
You're alright. You weren't feeling too good in the car, were you? It was very busy. There were a lot of lorries about. Oh, I like those that she's got in her trolley. She's got like some canvas spotty things, whatnots. Right, so it's going to be very confusing because I'm going to now switch cameras and film a little shot with me as well. So we're going to do a bit of both. Okay, we'll see you in there. Oh, I feel a bit windswept. I'm really confused. What, that I've got 2 phones? Yeah, why have you got 2 cameras? Well, I've got 2 cameras because this one I'm doing my shop with me's and this one I'm doing my weekly vlogs.
Wait, oh my god, wait.
Hi guys,
It's Courtney.
Oh no, he's helping.
The best ever. I only came for the meatballs and scissors because that's all I ever buy. That's Chloe, and then... Oi!
Is that
Hiya! What are you doing? Let's go guys. Oh, we found the spinny doors.
Ebony's pushing it with her superhuman strength.
I can't turn around.
Oh, go on, Ebs.
That's really heavy. God, guys, we made it out. We did it.
Right, Right, we're having a look at this little stand here, and there's quite a few bits and pieces on offer. I've got my eye on, well, you see, you can make things out of these rugs as well.
Is that rug?
Yeah, they're rugs.
How big are they? Because I like the pink one.
Yeah, you can make things out of those.
Wait,
I've been looking at some hacks.
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah. Is she? She's finding all of us. Yeah, they do all these sorts of... We'll have a look when we go up in the rug department. Chloe's just nipped to the loo.
Cool.
We've got to get an Ikea pencil, ain't you? Look. Oh, that... Pretty trying to put my finger in there. Should we get a shopping list? Let's get one of these. I don't think we need a tape measure.
I've left the best two.
Oh look, I didn't realise you get them from down the bottom.
Yeah. So this is my new house knife. Ooh. I just bought this myself out of my own hard-earned moolah. It's my sink. Look at that. It's quite nice. We're just looking at all the different show. Oh, small. I think we should get that personally. I do like all of this art. It's quite minimalistic. Oh, I'm talking to myself.
But they're gonna, surely they're gonna go weird after a while. The drawers feel nice.
Got boy.
What do you mean?
Scared.
What do you say?
I didn't say anything. It's just, you know. Apparently we've got
You didn't know he was there.
Orts Day at 3 PM and Fall Day shopping. So funny. And hilarious. And this is my living room with my new TV. We can sit on this chair that I built myself. Have a good old spin. Yeah, I'm just showing the viewers my new house. And then also, because I'm that rich, look, here we see Mum in my new house. Are you proud of me? I know. I bought this. It's got a second kitchen. This one's just for show. Oh look, this is Ebony visiting my new house as well. Yeah. So we put all of the nice stuff. Yeah, I just showed them my second living room. So yeah, it costs quite a bit. It's got multiple living rooms and bathrooms and kitchens and things like that. So I'll show you around. What are you doing there? Oi, bub. Alf. Hey, bubby. Hiya.
Sorry, I'm just pushing my coat in the back of the ground.
It's alright. What are you doing? Not being very amusing. I'm joking. We love you, Scralf. You waving?
Do something to eat.
So we're going to build our dream sofa. So we have to pick one of these. Don't know what they mean. So we'll pick this one here because it looks pretty cool.
No, because you realise this is going to actually do it.
Ooh, sissy. Start from scratch.
No, because you're going to accidentally buy something.
Oh, that one looks like a bed. We'll add that one. Do I drag it?
Wait, are we all filming our adventures?
Ooh. That's £500, just that.
Goodness, it's horrible as well.
Add that there. 1,500. My dear Lord. And then we will add... Wait, that can go down here.
I can't fit.
Oh.
Oh no. No, leave.
Wait, I don't want that one. I want this one.
Why?
There.
Can we put...
And then we'll put another... Oh!
No, that's nice.
Wait. We'll
that's
move.
horrible.
Wait, we'll move. Wait. Stop.
No, I have an idea.
Wait, we'll delete that. It's like a spaceship. Next.
No, because you're
I
going to
want to change the colour.
No, because you're going to buy it. I'm sorry.
Okay, so that's our sofa adventures. You having a spot of lunch, Alf? Yeah. Are you having a spot of lunch? Fruit bar? Is that nice? Yeah. These lights are really cool. That you can undo them and they look like that. I think Mum showed you in a different video, but if you pull the string, and it opens up, and if you pull the other string, they close again.
So you can have a little light or a big light.
Hi guys, welcome to Empty Crib. Welcome to my crib. So, as you first walk in, you have this lovely dining area where we sit and things. Me and my family will sit and have a nice chat. And then on the back here, this is my art wall. So, as you can see, we have the jug that I got passed down from my great dinosaur in there. And then that, which is a jug. This piece of art here, which I did my very own self. Knitted that myself. This Alfie drew for me.
Yeah.
And then
that's Alfie's corner.
This is my living room.
Phoebe's come to visit, look.
My TV, we're doing MTV Cribs. So, it's my bookcase. As you can see, I like to read a lot of the same book.
For intruders. People are in your house.
It's fine, we let them in sometimes.
Right, Courtney.
But look, I like to read a lot of the same book. I like to read it over and over and over again. I've read every single copy of these, even if they are the same book. And then as you come through this way,
We go out to your patio.
you like to have a little...
Right, we're not actually going to go in. Wait, hang on, we'll go in the kitchen. Right, go get in the kitchen.
Yeah. Through here is my kitchen. We have a freezer. It's got nothing in it.
This is all Courtney has. Is Courtney orders takeaway?
Because KFC.
Whoa, I love your.
My marble worktop.
That's not real.
Yes, it is. I got it from the mountains myself.
Right, okay. Living room time. Look at all these wine glasses.
Wine glasses for me and my friends. This chair here is
You
for
and
Alfie.
Penny. Who's that for? You? Right.
And if you go through here, this is my study.
Courtney, get behind the curtain. You know, you only have one pair of shoes.
As you can see, I'm buying from Ikea at the moment.
Hashtag ad.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Imagine if Mum actually had an ad for IKEA and this is how we put it in.
This is my sofa where pen.
I love your shelf.
And now I'm going to show you my shoe rack.
3, 2, 1, go.
So this is my shoe rack, and you can see I have one pair of shoes here. They don't fit anymore, but I like to keep the colour because it goes with the room.
This big TV. And this is you.
Yeah, this is all my photography that I do.
Okay. I love your stairs. Thanks for the house tour.
2 dear, 30.
Alf. Chloe, I think he shoved it all in his mouth.
I'll just talk about it.
Oh, baby. Is that nice?
Here, I've seen quite a few DIYs.
Is it yummy?
What they do is they
Okay, so move. Look. Move.
Different effects. You can put pom-poms and all sorts of different things on there. So that's quite a nice little DIY.
behind the scenes. Wait.
Little donkey on the dusty road. Got to keep on going. I think someone's looking at her.
So we found all the cabinet bit. It's interesting.
Just show you some of these.
Ooh. You're getting all the
The Alex drawers. Okay, so these are really good. Great
Yeah,
for
these-
crafting.
Ebony's got
Great
these.
And those.
for, you know, just storing anything with. They come up really, really smooth.
They're good. She keeps her makeup in
as well.
this. You're getting all of the behind the scenes today.
Right, we're moving round the, it's kind of the display bit, isn't it, that's upstairs. And everybody's really hungry, but we're moving around this bit, having a little look. Look at that cool light, that's £40. That's not expensive at all, is it? So we're just going to go and find something to eat now. I'm also filming my shop with me on this phone. So, oh, my necklace is twisted. Oh, thanks. Oh. Thumbnail. They look nice, those prawns, don't they?
They do.
Getting some water. And then it's just meatballs. Yes, please. Alfie! You good boy? Yay! Oh! Phoebe's got mini fish and chips and a jelly. Oh, Alfie's grabbing the tomato ketchup.
Squeezing it.
Ebony's got sweet potato fries with hers, haven't you?
Yeah.
A bit of a change. Right, we'll tuck into our food. Right, we just moved in to the market hall section now. So we're just going to have a little wander around here and I'm going to carry on filming on my Becky's Crafts and Goodies.
Okay, so now we're here at my favourite bit. This is this bit. But this scissors.
You need a slimmer one.
And then there's more utensils around here. There's so many people looking at me, but I don't care. There's one of the egg things. There's so many people, Mum. Help me. Okay, so let's resume. Basically, scissors. The big ones used to be yellow. Surely the big ones used to be yellow? No, big ones used to be red. I've bought way too many pairs of these scissors.
Wait, how much are these?
$1.25 bagging.
Okay, ready?
Stick it on me. Stick it on me.
Oh, it's focus with foundation. Let's try things. Ready? Steady. Oh, it's not sticking.
Maybe lick it.
No.
No, way. It's all dusty. I've got a faint circle.
No.
I've got faint circles on our head.
Go down there, look for the cup.
Yeah. And this is the only reason we ever come Ikea.
They're a bit big, aren't they?
Yeah.
Is to get their bags. They come in all ranges of sizes. Words, English.
Back. Shall we swap these then?
Yeah.
What are you buying?
Get that stem.
I want the grey.
We're in the Tupperware bit, and these would be perfect for slime, wouldn't they?
But they're really expensive. They're 90p.
Hang on, we'll turn the camera around. So these tubs here, I saw and thought would be perfect for slime. There are some big ones there. I'm not sure how much they are. So if you make bigger slimes, that's better there. And then there's these ones. They sell the lids and the tubs separately, which is a bit weird. The lids are 90p and the actual container is 70. I think there's two there. But yeah, I feel like they'd be perfect for slime, these ones. Okay, so long story short, I've managed to lose everyone. So welcome to Courtney's Vlogs and Goodies. If anyone ever finds this, I'm still in Ikea somewhere. But yeah, I found some good lighting because these here are synthetic pillows. Well, where the pillows are kept. So I'll turn the camera around and show you how cool these pillows are, because this pillow section is wicked. There's this big, huge pillow section here for synthetic pillows, natural pillows, and ergonomic pillows. I don't know, but they're all different, like, types of pillow, and all different kind of feels. Look how cool this is. Look, I think ergonomic, whatever this is, I don't know if I'm saying it right, is a mix between natural and synthetic, but I'm really not sure. Oh, that feels really quite firm. I'm not a big fan of that one. They feel, oh, that one's nice. I don't know what one that is, but this reminds me of a memory foam pillow, but it's really quite tough. Pillow reviews with Courtney. Managed to find everyone, guys. Panic over. Found Chloe. We went and did we didn't do a review, we did a review in real life, not on camera, of placemats. So tune in next time for some more placemat reviewing. Yeah, but I found everyone. Panic over. It's now back to Becky's Crafts and Goodies.
Is plastic or real?
Only one way to find out. Real. They also feel a tiny bit plastic.
Nice.
Look how cool these plates are. And then they've got matching bowls as well, look.
Spotty ones.
Spotty
and
bowls.
Oh, they're there, same. Wiggly ones.
Wiggly plates, that's what they got up here, look.
Where's them bowls then? Have they got any?
I don't think they do them in bowls, I think they're just plates, because look.
Oh, yeah.
But I do really like the bowls
Maybe
though.
there's like a thing then. You get that for a big plate.
That
and then these are the medium plates, and then these are the bowls.
Yeah.
There's no other thing.
They're pretty cool. Wait, I think they're serving plates. Is this a set of them?
Just careful because that's open.
Oh. Oh.
That's a bit cool.
Ooh. It's got a little like divot in the middle.
It reminds me of one of them lemon juices where you go like that.
That's one massive lemon you need.
I was going to pick that up and go, Courtney! But it's not plastic, it's real.
It's a plate.
They're real, guys.
Don't smash them over your siblings' heads if they're real.
Oh, there you go. These paper plates.
Oh, thanks. Sound like there was nothing in there.
That's a bit close.
They're the cups to match. The bowls, I don't know if they're made to match it, but they do match it. They're nice, I like them ones.
Oh yeah, look, here's the pattern of the other one as well, over there.
Yeah.
Can't reach it,
Oh yeah.
otherwise I'll break the other ones. Let me just...
They just look
Shimmy.
discoloured.
Yeah, looks like you've washed it with spag bowl.
There you go,
That's
they're the
pattern.
cool ones. I like these as well.
£5 though, I
Ooh.
don't know if that's sick.
Oh, my heart nearly stops. They remind me of something Grandad would have.
Yeah,
Look all fancy.
crystal effect.
Yeah. Just tell me.
It's an ice cream one.
They're really
I
cute.
like those. And then
I like
flamingos.
these. I think we have some like taller glasses
Yeah,
with
you do, I
flamingos
think. I
on.
love the ice cream ones though.
Yeah, I do.
How much are they? £1.25.
Ooh. Wow. They're cool.
You can see the swirly patterns going up there.
Yeah.
There's
I do
white
them in
crystal
just
ones.
them ones as well.
Connoisseuring. Champagne, did I say it? Swedish for champagne.
Champagne, that one.
Yeah.
Drink.
Bubbel.
Bubbel Paron. Oh, it's actually not champagne. Turns out sparkling pear drink. That's what that is. Them little glasses are cute, aren't they?
Yeah, I was just reading what that label said.
Wow. Ooh. 6-pack of Recco.
They're just small.
It's them ones. Here are the glasses I think we have at home. I'm sure we've got some with flamingos on. Yeah, that's what I thought, these ones. I can't remember, I know we've got some with flamingos on. Yeah. If you were a kid in the early 2000s, late 90s, you will know this pattern, and I don't know why, it reminds me of them. There must have been a game or like like fashion or something, but this just reminds me of early 2000s, like late 90s. I don't know why, but Chloe will understand. Okay, so guys, today on my Ikea journey, I have bought an owl teddy. Well, I haven't bought. I've been bought for me an owl teddy by my nan, and a lint roller, because I've needed a lint roller for a while, because when you have 3 dogs that are all basically white or cream, and they will shed a lot, and you basically only wear black, you need a lint roller. It's a necessity. I'm not sure what these are, little notepads. They'd be good for like revision and things. So if you're like getting like even studying for tests at school, they'd be good to make revision cards, wouldn't they? This is my reviews. My review. So yeah, these would be good. There's more around here. I like the stationery section, it's nice and fun. Oh look, there's Becky's Crafts and Goodies doing her thing. Behind the scenes, look.
We've got some sticky notes there, £2.50. And what have we got? That looks like a roll of tape for £2. We've got loads of stationery bits around here.
Let's go this way. What's around here? These here would be cool for hair stuff. So like if you've got hair dryers and hair equipment, it'd be cool to put in there, wouldn't it? Like straighteners and curlers and things.
I've got my hair stuff in the box.
Yeah, because this can like hang, if you do it properly, you could hang it near the edge of you've got a makeup table, hang it on a makeup table, just keep it on the floor. Yeah, and there's a small one here.
Look, these, they've got hooks on. These hooks, I don't know what it's attached to, that. But maybe you could like hang that and put some bits
off
on
the
it.
corner of a table or something.
Yeah, I know it's not for paper, but you could use it for all sorts of different stuff.
You could. We're teaching you how to transform your life using multiple different things.
They come with 2 hooks.
Oh yeah, look, they come with 2
sides
Next, I'm going
and hooks, and you could just hang that
That's cool.
like that.
Perfect for like hair straighteners and things. Or even if you got like books and anything. Paper. Like what it's meant for. Me and my lint roller. Ooh,
Coloured labels.
they're good, I like them. So they do wrapping paper here as well, look.
Yeah. Oh, this tissue paper.
And it
well,
like
that's
matches, yeah.
nice. Match together.
That's
And
good.
string.
They do more things like this round near the very end as well.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of bags, like duffel bags or backpacks, which if you're going away, they're quite decently sized. And the big duffel bags like this here, I can't turn it around while I'm filming because it's getting to like festival season. Well, it will be later on in the year, and they're quite decently priced as well. So yeah, the sports bags, they're like this but just basically different colour. Maybe £5, but they're £3 now. I'm not sure how much the black one is. Oh, is that it? I think that might be it. £25. Let's go down the escalator. Oh,
Sorry. Right.
escalators.
Yeah.
Travelator. Look at her with a Harry t-shirt on. She'll look very happy. Oh, we'll go. I've got this.
It's really quick.
Magic.
Wait, I swear they didn't.
Here are the lights that I showed you earlier on. They're like the ones that you can pull. And they open and close. I'm gonna...
It's 2 Becky's Crafts.
There's 2 of us! Woo! So there's the little one open, but there's a big massive one here as well. It's £60. Oh no, this one's 100. There. There's a big massive version. Look at that. And they do it in, so it's copper on the inside. There. There's that one. And then they do like a silver one as well. I won't open and close it because I'm a bit too weak to do it. But yeah, they're good, they are. I like them. I think these are just a white version, but they don't do it in The big one. Yeah. This one's the yellow one with the yellow inside. It's just 40, that one. I like that one.
I'm driving. I've got 10 seats.
In your car?
Yeah, you got to come in front though.
Right, okay, let's go.
We're indicating in a minute.
We're indicating. Okay, we're going down here. Come on then. Where are we going today, girl?
Maybe.
I could be an Instagram famous person.
Is it real?
It's real.
Oh. We're picking which succulent Ebbs is going to get.
I can actually keep them alive though.
Yeah,
What's
I
the
can't.
best looking aloe vera? I think it's this one.
I think that's
no, the
nice.
vase. I have to swap the vase.
There's loads down there. There's a big aloe here. I think that's aloe. I'm not sure. Aloe. No, wait. I like that. Is that a big aloe one there?
Oh, these. I could get one of this and one of another one.
Yeah, and they match.
What is this? Casserata Vata.
Yes. My
So I'll
favourite
get that.
succulent. Casserata vata.
Or there's a different aloe, but that's a bit prickly.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that.
I'm gonna get this Casserata Vata.
Okay, 2 aloes. Personally, I like these ones. I think these are pretty cool. No, I like your aloe. I think they're really cool. And they come in a pink and a white and like a grey, like a dark grey colour. But that one's on a bit of a wobble. That one's had a rough night out. But yeah, I think these are really cool.
You should get some.
These are more my style. These ones are fake. I can keep these ones alive. Cool. Listen.
Is it one most beautiful?
Select an ice cream. Vanilla with strawberry sauce or vanilla with chocolate sauce. And then, yeah. Hold up.
Well, well, well.
What do I do now?
There we go.
What do I do now?
Take it. Would you like a flake in that one?
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you for your help, Courtney. I nearly ate your glass.
Right, you are more than welcome.
We're worn out now. We've just had a hot dog. Haven't we? We've been here for ages. How many hours have we been here for?
Too long.
6 hours.
Too long.
It's been a marathon. And we're just going to drive home now. It's going to take
I did
us-
not think we were gonna get out alive.
No. We have.
There's a rumour that all IKEA workers never actually signed up. They just got lost here, never found their way out, and now they just work here.
They nearly caught us. Okay, so it's going to take us just over an hour to get home. I just want to say hello to Karen, because this is Karen's country. So hi, Karen.
Sweden.
No, not Sweden.
Sweden.
Birmingham. Yeah.
Birmingham.
So hi, Karen. Okay, we'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. Good morning. What day is it? Thursday.
Yes.
It's Thursday, and hang on, I've got a double chin. I might have to start that again.
It is Thursday, the 21st of February.
Thursday. That's it. Hey, that's good. What time is it? 11.
11:01.
11:01. Okay, right. It's Thursday. We are just now. We've kind of recovered from IKEA. We're shattered though. I'm really tired.
Yeah.
Just taking Courtney to a friend's Sky's now. They're going to watch a concert, aren't you? What is it called?
Hippocampus
Hippocampus.
in London town.
In London, yes. They're going Camden. Going to have a look around there. They're going with Sky's mum. And they're the little travellers, aren't you?
We
She
are.
goes all sorts of places. She loves doing concerts, as you know. She's been to quite a few. So she did say she's going to do us a little bit of a vlog. So I really don't know what content is going to be involved in that.
Courtney's
if IKEA is
crafty
anything to
goodies.
go by. So we'll have a little look around IKEA. Chloe's coming around, not IKEA, I've got it on the brain. Camden. Off we go.
Let's go. Hello, we're on the way to London.
London.
Sky's getting her hair done by Sally.
Hashtag Sally Geese.
Yes, this is Louise eating a spicy chicken sandwich. And it is 1:45. It's go to London, geezers.
Got Martin's shop there, so. I know that's massive.
Found a captured gremlin and we need to release the gremlin. It's being held captive. Where are we?
I don't know.
Pret a Manger. You got a suit.
Got a suit.
Sky's got.
Pret a Manger.
What you got?
Oh, and this.
Orange and passion fruit. I got a Coke Zero because
This is
I'm a good
spicy,
girl.
don't recommend chai latte.
And me and Sky got the hoisin duck wrap, but it's not very nice because there's too much healthy for my liking. It's too much healthy. I took the majority of the lettuce and the cucumber out because I don't like cucumber. And I don't like a lot of lettuce. This is my life.
I don't like anything green or healthy.
Yeah. So yeah, we're in Pret a Manger. It is, what time is it?
Oh, done. 17:49.
10 to 6. It's 10 to 6. And okay, so basically the concert starts at 7. It's now 10 to 6 and it's at the Shepherd's Bush, O2 Shepherd's Bush. So
What are you looking at?
I will see you in a moment. Hi guys, we're nearly at the O2 Academy. It's just there. But yeah, we've had a good old day.
Courtney's still at a concert. Ebony has made this terrific cake on her Lazy Susan that she bought from Ikea yesterday. So it looks very nice. Eb's going to cut it and show us that.
Get scared cutting cake. Maybe we should get a plate.
Oh yeah.
Oh, is this going to fit? It's got a lot of
It's
layers.
massive. It's got 4 layers and she's cut the cakes in half. She's made 2 cakes.
Oh, I cut it in half with...
I'll show you what she cut it in half with. Hang on.
Here. And you put it near the cake and then you go like this. And it cuts it in half.
You got that from Ikea yesterday, didn't you?
Yeah. Okay, anyway.
Right, let's have a little chopperoonie. Look at that. You can't really see in there.
Do you want me to cut in with it?
Yeah. Ebony's
chalky cake spinning round on the Lazy Susan.
I love this Lazy Susan.
Very nice. That's one humongous bit of cake, that is.
It is. We worked out this could be 4 slices of cake.
Lovely jubbly.
Hi everyone, it's Saturday evening now. I just wanted to show you a few things that I bought from Ikea from the Ikea trip. I didn't really get a lot, as I sort of explained in the video, but I did buy a few things that will be able to use for some DIYs on the channel. So the first thing I picked up was this stool, and this was just £4. It's an absolute super cheap price, but I have got to buy a couple of other things as well to do the DIY, so I'll pop that on the channel when it's done. I then bought some of these. These are like heat mats. They basically look like a huge coaster, you know, the squidgy part of a coaster. So that'll be for a DIY as well. I picked up some of these napkins. You can use these in home, but I just thought they might be quite cute just to have in my little napkin stash. They were only £1.30. Then I picked up one of these rugs. I think this was on the Ikea family price. It was £1 something, but I think it's only £2.25 full price, so it's not expensive at all. And I have seen a couple of DIY kind of projects with these from other people, so I'll do that. And if I do an idea that I have sort of seen on someone else's channel, then I'll obviously link their channel in the description as well. And then I just picked up some of these candles. This was the pink one. It's like a light baby pink colour. And then I just got 2 of these candles here. So I haven't done a crafty video this week. I normally try to do one if I can, but with it being half term and kind of the way things have gone, it's not really, I haven't really had the energy to do it. So Sunday tomorrow, we hopefully, all being well, we're actually taking Courtney and Ebony to go and see a girl called Kelsy Karter. She's in concert. These if you may not know her by name, but if I say to you that it's the girl that had Harry Styles tattooed on her cheek but didn't have Harry Styles tattooed on her cheek, then maybe most of you will know who she is. Ebony's actually on the guest list for Kelsy, so she's kindly put Ebony on that. So we are, as you know, Ebony loves Harry Styles. And then they're back to school on Monday, so hopefully this video will go up on Monday. I'd say it's Saturday evening now, so I've already edited the part 2 of the Ikea vlog. I'm going to pop that on in a few moments. The tea's in the oven, and that'll be about it. I'll be signing off, maybe just chilling, watching a little bit of YouTube, that sort of thing. So that's it for Saturday, and I'll see you tomorrow on Sunday. Hi everyone, it's Sunday now. Just wanted to show you these couple of bits. I went to Poundland and picked up some wool. I'm going to be doing a DIY. I might start on it today depending on how I feel, but I thought this multicoloured wool would be fantastic. It's on 3 for £2, so I picked up 3 of those, so I'll be doing that craft shortly. I also had to nip in and get a couple of bits from Lidl, and I spotted this self-adhesive film. They had quite a few different designs, but I really like this floral design, so I will possibly be using that on the channel very, very shortly. Also from Ikea, I wanted to mention that I picked up one of the foldable trays. I did mention it in one of my videos, but I forgot to show it to you yesterday. So I picked up one of those. Carl's taking the girls to Birmingham for the concert tonight for me, so I can stay at home with Phoebe. And that's it for me, so I'll leave you over to the girls. See you all again soon. Bye for now.
Dad's driving, and we are on the way to Birmingham to watch Kelsy Karter at the O2 Institute. She's supporting a band called The Struts, but Ebbs has somehow managed to get us on Kelsy Karter's guest list. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. Hello everyone, we're out now. What time is it, Ebbs? It's 11:11 PM. We're on our way back now. Dad's driving us. He was an absolute trooper and stayed in the car. Well, me and Ebbs went in and had a good old dance. That, I have to say, is the fastest I've ever got in the O2 Academy. Me and Ebony met Kelsy and what are they called? The long the long. What? We met Kelsy and the boys with long hair, who are like her guitarists and drummers and things like that. We got pictures. Ebony got a picture of Kelsy. I got a picture of all of them. I got. Yeah, the guy from the band took the picture of Ebony and Kelsy. Ebony got her phone case signed by Kelsy, and then I got a picture with all of them together collectively, and I got them all to sign like this little piece of paper I had in the back of my phone. We stayed to watch the Struts in the end, and I think they were very good personally. What do you think, Ebs? Yeah, she said they're okay, but to be fair, it's not Ebony's taste in music, and that was her first ever like rock concert, I guess. But yeah, she was a trooper. She was jumping about, getting involved in everything, and then we stayed till the very end. Went up to the front. Ebony wondered what I was doing. I got this. I got this. So yeah, it was a very good night, and I will send you back to Mum now. Goodbye.